Welcome back to another video. It is a beautiful muggy morning here in Florida, and today I'm gonna do a couple mods just to clean up the vehicle, just some aesthetics. And so if you guys don't know, BMW Invasion is an event coming August 22nd to like the Melbourne beach area here in Florida, and it's gonna be a huge event. I'm definitely going. I'm squadding out with some other guys. So really looking forward to filming that one and covering that event. And there should be a lot of people coming down from all over the East Coast. So hoping to meet a lot of people there too. Getting passed by a Nissan Frontier. No, I like to let my car warm up typically before I get on it. I like it to be at like operating temperature before I go past like 2,000, 3,000 RPMs, if I can maintain that. So I usually just put it in Eco Pro mode until I'm warmed up, especially since I don't really drive the car every day. I just want to take it easy on it. It's also better for the turbo and just the overall life of the engine. So right now we're heading over to Starbucks, get my juice, my bean water, and then gonna go to my parents' house where we have the mods there. Get to it. Haven't had Starbucks in so long, but I got a little gift card, so I'm gonna use that. We got the cold brew. Shout out to Thick F30. Got the thick juice. No, for all this stuff is crack. Alright, let's see if I don't absolutely destroy my front lip here. This hill is a little much. Oh my god. Woo! That was sketchy. Of course, I got this Expedition behind me, like, what is he doing? Made it. Front lip is still intact. That's the benefit of not having my car completely lowered. Doesn't look as good, but I'm not scraping everywhere. So we got the car optimal running temps. Go ahead and take it in comfort so we can get it at this light. N20 gang. This car is really fun to drive though. If it was 40 years ago, this car would be considered a freaking supercar. For real. Alright, so I'm going to show you guys how to debadge your car. What I have is some Goo Gone and some just dental floss, and that should do the trick. I also have a heat gun just in case, but really shouldn't need that if you have Goo Gone and dental floss. It'll cut right through the glue. Alright, so I'm just gonna put a microfiber here, just try to collect all the overrun. Oh wow, well the nozzle's not working. While I'm letting the Goo Gone soak in, go ahead and install these so I can finally cover up this hideous wood grain. I actually ordered these and they're coming from China, and I ordered them probably like 2 months ago. Still haven't got them, so I went ahead and ordered some off eBay that were in New York. this install is pretty obvious. Just gonna spray some Car Pro Eraser. Just clean up these handles so that 3M has no problems sticking on there. Alright. Just gonna press it on there for about 30 seconds or so. Whew, look at that. That is so much cleaner now. All matching. Finally. So it's been about 10 minutes or so. Let's see if the floss will cut through. Oh, easy. Super easy. And carefully remove it. Of course, all the sticky residue is still there, so have to remove that as well. I'm gonna go ahead and take off the rest of these emblems. Got 3. Alright, for this part I'm going to try to use a heat gun just to make it a little easier to remove this goo. And be very careful not to heat it up too much. It's coming off way easier now. And now we got the eye off. So I don't even see like any residue left behind, so I'll like barely have to polish it. So the heat gun works really well. Now I'll go ahead and do the rest. Boom. Alright, so we got the logo, the badge off. Go ahead and do a final rub down. Some Goo Gone. Make sure we can get most of the sticky stuff off. Alright. So I'm going to get my APC so I can spray the area that I Goo Gone, and then go ahead and use some polish and make it look new. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and use Chemical Guy's VSS and a finishing pad just to clean up the rear and get the rest of the residue off. Yeah, you can barely see the outline still. So after I use some of this, should be good. I did my final pass, so now I'm just going to spray some waterless wash, just basically wax, just to wipe off the rest of the residue. And there's how we debadge a BMW, or pretty much any car that. Wow, yeah. So the reason I did this is just to clean up the rear end a little bit. I think the 328 being chrome was just adding a lot of noise. And if you know, you know, it's still a 328 because of the exhaust. I think it looks so much better. It'll look so much cleaner in photos. And now last but not least, I'm getting tired of these little snap-ons. So I'm just going to go ahead and take these off. These gotta go. It's nice running them for a little while, but I want the clean black look again. Way harder to take off than they are to put on, that's for sure. But yeah, it's just little prongs. So it works if you take the bottom off first and then release the top ones. There we have it. Wow, yeah, it looks so much better in my opinion. Oh yeah, way cleaner now. I'm stoked. That was bothering me so much. Excuse my dirty floor mats. Interior detail coming soon. Alright guys, so that pretty much wraps up this video. Hope you guys enjoyed watching me clean up the whip. Of course, I'll link all the products that I used in the description below for your convenience. And stay tuned for more mods and more detailing as we get closer to the BMW Invasion event. Really looking forward to that. Hoping to meet some of you guys there. Let me know if you guys are going. And always feel free to hit me up on Instagram at F30skirt. And just let me know if you have any questions about my build, about these cars, N20 engines, and just BMW stuff in general. So guys, hope you have a fantastic day, and stay tuned for the next one. Peace out.